Imagine steel of the highest strength and quality. Imagine it can be used in the most demanding of industrial applications. And imagine it can be used over and over again. Now, what would you like to do with it? We are Ovako. Our material is engineering steel, and we know that with the right steel, imagination is your only limit. Together with our customers, we develop innovative steel for a better engineered future. We've been doing this since the 17th century. Our founding fathers sprung from the northern iron industry, famous for high-quality products based on the strongest of steel. Throughout changes in the organization, the local production sites remain the heart of our production. And the knowledge of our people is the core of our trusted way of producing steel. From our production sites in the north and our sales and service locations on the continents, we bring our engineering steel all over the globe. Safety is our top priority in everything we do. We are determined to reach our long-term goal of a zero-accident workplace. All our steel comes from scrap. We recycle the scrap and refine it into advanced high-strength steel products. We are in fact the biggest recycler company in the Nordic countries. We process the steel into the widest product offering among all our peers. Value-added operations are continuously expanded in accordance with our customers' requirements. Our customers then take over, and eventually our high-strength steel become a key part of the end product. But the story doesn't end there. When the end product becomes scrap, we make it into new steel again. In this way, we bring sustainable and flexible productivity into a circular economy for the benefit of all involved. We are proud of our way of working with broad networks in research and development. Together with our customers, we design steel that solves their specific needs. You're welcome to try us out. Our production is based on 3 metallurgy operations, each adapted for different types of customer needs. We produce bar steel in all executions, round, square, flat, or as hot-rolled profiles. We cut, machine, grind, and heat treat our products into many types of delivery conditions, from basic forms to almost completed components. We also produce tube, ring, and wire, and supply an industry-leading range of hard-chromed long products. We use a broad range of steel grades, with some 600 variants, each offering unique solutions within its specific performance dimension. The steel grades are grouped into our brand families to meet different customer demands, proving again and again that imagination is your only limit. Imagine clean steel with many decades of proven performance in bearings under high cyclical stresses. Our BQ steel brings solutions to demanding applications that require longer life and higher loads in bearings as well as in other components. Imagine ultra-clean steel that can manage high loads equally well in all directions. Our durable IQ steel is used in fuel injection systems and for transmissions, increasing productivity and reducing environmental impact. Imagine steel that enables fast and efficient cutting and at the same time prolong the tool's service life. Our M steel is used by many hundreds of customers in industries such as automotive and engineering, reducing machine cost and achieving higher reliability and productivity. Imagine high-strength steel able to stay tough in extreme cold. Our Sub-Zero steel is used to build strong products and create safer solutions for equipment operating in extremely cold conditions. Imagine steel with supreme wear resistance, while easy to form to fit your needs. Our WR steel offers a broad range of opportunities by combining flexible and cost-efficient manufacturing with just the right wear resistance in your end product. Imagine piston rods optimized with superior steel, right dimensioning, and advanced surface treatment. Our Chromax range of hard chrome and nickel chrome plated products provides strong benefits for hydraulic manufacturers worldwide. Now, reimagine your whole conception of steel. Being one of the most significant game changers in steel metallurgy, our hybrid steel bridges the traditional categories of steel and offers opportunities beyond what's been possible before. All it takes is imagination, cooperation, and hard work. Imaginations need to be sustainable. We know we come from an industry with a large carbon footprint. That's why we want to offer the most sustainable steel on the market. We recycle hundreds of thousands tons of scrap every year. Using this recycling base, efficient processes, and Nordic electricity, our carbon footprint of hot-rolled steel is about 80% lower than the global average. Many of our customers share our devotion to this quest, and by using our steel, their products can also reach world-leading carbon footprint levels. Imagine steel that meets your needs. Now, imagine it being even better.